Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. This is Jordan taking on a short guided tour of this Audi Q2 Black Edition model, 35 TFSI and reaches up to 150 PS. This is a 6-speed manual gearbox and is finished in the Daytona Grey pearlescent. Just a quick one on this Q2 before we go around the features of the car. This has landed on our Audi approved car programme, which comes with multi-benefits of buying a used Audi directly from us. The reason for this is this has only done its self-registered miles, which we will see the specific number of miles it's done once we go inside the vehicle. First thing to notice is the LED daytime running headlights. As this is the Black Edition, stunning multi-spoke designed alloyed wheels finished in the black, all four in perfect condition. As this is the S-Line model, it does have the S-Line badge situated on both wings of the car. As you can see, the wind mirrors and the contrast panel are finished in the black with the rear privacy glass, giving this Q2 a real sportier edge than your standard Q2 models. Twin exhaust to the left of the rear with your Audi 4 Rings logo to the centre, your model logo to the left and your 35 TFSI logo to the right. As mentioned, this is a 19 reg, only registered in March of 2019 this year. Plenty of boot space with pockets on either side for accessories. As you can see, automatic opening and shutting boot as well. As we come down the driver's side, we'll go inside the vehicle and have a look at the features inside. As you can see, 4-way electric window system with your heated wind mirrors and your child lock, central locking system and your boot opening latch. Automatic headlight adjustments, light and rain sensors and adaptive cruise control. This has the sport steering wheel, which is the flat bottom 3-spoke multifunction. As mentioned, I will show you the mileage on this vehicle, which is currently 24 miles. Like I said, that's the self-registered miles. Heated front sport seats with air conditioning. HD Retina display currently showing all your Audi multimedia services. Control panel is to the centre console, and when the SD card is inserted, this does have satellite navigation system. USB ports underneath the armrest, and the interior finished in the half leather and Alcantara cloth with the S-Line embossed logo into the front 2 sport seats. This car does come equipped with rear parking sensors and is a stunning vehicle. For more enquiries on this car or any information on the Audi approved car programme, give us a call on 01254 668 777 and we'll happily assist you. Thank you for watching.